guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Prestige P, and today's video, you could already see from the title that I will be doing a lip swatch / review of the LENA Cosmetic Baby Matte lipstick. And I did a review of it a long time ago, maybe over a year. I will put it up on the screen. That was my first lip swatch or lip review of the LENA Cosmetic, and I love their lipstick so much, and also their lip gloss. And I never have their baby mattes. Like, this is like, I think it's new, if I'm not mistaken. By the way, this is not sponsored. I bought all 9 of the lipstick with my own money, so don't worry, this is not sponsored. I love LENA Cosmetic lipsticks for a very long time now, and I said, okay, let me go ahead and buy some more. And so I'm here and I will be doing a lip review. But before we get started, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and click that notification, because I do upload every single Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. And yeah, let's jump right into this video. guys, so that's it of the LENA Cosmetic lip swatch. I went ahead and I put back squad goals on my lip because I love it so much. It's very neutral, it's very natural, and it's pretty with this whole entire look. And I went ahead and I put the Fenty lip balm over it because these baby matte lipstick are very, very matte. That's the reason why it's called baby matte. And if you're not a matte kind of lipstick girl, you have to put a lipstick or a lip balm over it, and it will feel good on your lips. But basically, I love matte. Like, I don't have a problem with it. I could go matte, I could go glossy. I kind of love matte, so I don't have a problem with just wearing this alone by itself. But pretty much that's it. That's the final of the LENA Cosmetic lip swatch / review. I love all 9 lipstick that I put on my lips. I love them all. I will be wearing them a lot because they look so pretty on me. But yeah, guys, all the lipstick that I review on my lips will be down in the description box. Don't forget to check it out. And before you leave, please click that subscribe button down below. Turn on your notification because I do upload every single Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. And yeah, guys, I will definitely see you in my next video. Bye.